Well, we are on our way. Jason's over here. Chatty Cathy ended up on his phone, but we went to Fort Wayne last night. It was a wonderful adventure driving all the way up here. It took us like 3.5, 4 hours to get all the way up to Fort Wayne. We got to the event at around 10:25. It was supposed to be going on from 8 to 11. Everybody was leaving when we got there, so not used to this. Indianapolis, everything starts at 10:30, 11. I guess in Fort Wayne, everything starts at 7:38, and then they go to bed at 10 o'clock. We proceeded to get a hotel in Auburn, Indiana. That was interesting. We went to Taco Bell. They had about 30 to 50 cars in the drive-thru in the parking lot. The whole inside was full. A couple guys said they've been waiting in there for a while, so we used the bathroom in there and proceeded to go over to Arby's, which the drive-thru was wrapped around there too, but luckily by the time we got over there, we got our food pretty quickly and got out. But got a hotel in Auburn, and it must be a thing in Auburn, Indiana, where every place is crazy, because we woke up this morning, went to McDonald's, and it was the same thing. Drive-thru backed all the way up, inside backed all the way up. Every single place that there is to eat in Auburn, Indiana is insanely busy. So I'm not quite sure what's all in Auburn, but I don't think I ever want to come back here again, especially to eat or to stay. The hotel was a red roof inn. I thought it was going to be okay from the 8.6 rating on hotels.com, but unfortunately it was pretty mediocre and normal, to say the least. It was, you know, in my opinion, there's a lot of things that they just don't replace or, you know, make clean. It's just, it looks kind of not like run down, but you can tell there's a lot of things they need to do to make it better. But in all reality, it was a place to lay our head, go to sleep, and then get up and then go back over it again. So we're heading to Detroit, Michigan to go meet up with Motortube. We're gonna see how this day goes. We're gonna do some, you know, comparisons between his, I think it's a 23 all-wheel drive versus mine is a 21 comp rear-wheel drive. So we're gonna do some videos with his car, cut us some comparison videos. We'll see if he knows anybody up there as well, and maybe we could do some racing. I don't know. I don't know what to expect in Detroit. So hopefully this will be a pretty good day. We'll see how everything goes. I'm not expecting too much. We did get ethanol right north of Auburn, about 11 miles north of there. There's a brand new Casey's. It looks brand new to me. It's very nice, and I got ethanol there. So it's pretty cool that they have ethanol up here just about as much as they do in Indianapolis. But I looked in Detroit and they have ethanol everywhere. So that's good that they have ethanol up here in abundance, so we can just stop anywhere and get fuel. But we'll let you guys know how this goes. We'll keep you guys updated all day, and hopefully this will be a pretty good trip. Make it worth the time to drive up here. It's about 5 hours up to Detroit from Indianapolis, especially with construction. So should be a fun, interesting day. Got a nice Mustang over here too. All kinds of nice cars. Man, we should just park in Walmart from now on.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Look, a Mustang's turning around to come over here.
Yeah, we definitely can.
Hey, do you want to cruise with us?
Yeah. We've got all these Mustangs over here since we've been sitting here.
Oh, that's not with you?
No, they've all just pulled over here since we've been sitting here. I'm like, all right, cool.
Should I go bring the M5 so you can have the 3-4 and the 5?
Oh yeah. What's up, man? I like his blue calipers. I need to make mine brighter. Man, this car looks super, super clean. Super clean. My God. I like that spoiler he's got too. Well, I bought it with it like that, so kind of bought it the way it is besides the lip and the wheels, pretty much. I did all that.
I think every car looks better in person.
Yeah, I know. That's what everybody
Like,
says.
It's so aggressive, and it's literally the little stuff you did.
Yeah.
Like this right here.
Everybody likes that, man.
Yes, like you're like help enhance the little group that are.
It looks really aggressive from behind. Everybody's like, man, your car looks mean when it's driving.
Dude, this is like one of the only M3s I've seen that sits just as nice as mine. Because
Yeah.
you have the spacers and it's lower.
What are you lowered on?
H&R.
H&R. Okay, mine's on ASTs.
Yeah. See, a lot of them, not your brand, another brand. I don't know what other brand there is, but they don't sit as low.
I know.
They sit a little high.
Yep.
I had one guy parked next to me. He's like, damn, man, I lowered mine, but it still sits a little higher. But yours is perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So I've got, on my front right now, I think I've got a 5mm spacer on the front. And on the rear, I think I have a 6mm or 7mm spacer on the rear. It took me 4 sets of wheels to get on this car to get it right. It's insane.
I mean, it's beautiful.
Because they all tell
We
me,
have the same, by the way, same lip.
yeah, I know. I just got that put on. I had a different lip, so I like that lip a lot, man.
It looks good. I was afraid that it's too much.
Yeah.
But when I seen it in person, I was like, yeah, okay. I have the ones that everyone else has.
I know, me too.
Like,
The more shorter
yeah,
and stuff. Yep, me too. I gotta get your kidney grills. I have the stock ones still, man.
Dude, you know, I actually have the let me show you. I just put that one on.
Oh, really?
But I had another one that you know, if you want to buy it, you could have it.
Yeah, because that's the
I'll
next.
give it to you for like fucking nothing.
That's the next thing I want to put on
I
here.
have this. All carbon.
Oh yeah, I like those, man.
And I was gonna sell it because I got this.
So you're the same as me. You don't have the big chunky thing in the
I
bottom.
have that little box.
Yeah, I don't have that either.
I think it's like
For the
adaptive.
the adaptive, yeah, it makes it where it can slow up and slow down. Yep.
Yeah, no,
I don't have that either.
That's all you're missing, I think, just the grill.
Yep.
But
I'm gonna get the side skirts too eventually, but
the double side skirts from Maxton.
yeah, Maxton's what I used to have on there too. Yeah.
That's what those are. And then I have them on the back too. I don't know if you see.
Yeah, it looks nice, man.
all
That's
the way to the back.
Yep.
They play in, it's just like,
I've been just spending so much money on this car. I'm like, dude, I want to get it unlocked. I was telling him, like, my next step is to get that thing unlocked. That's the next
dude, I mean,
thing I want to do. Oh, you have a JB4 already
I
on
don't
there?
have it on the car. But
Oh,
I have it 'cause
okay.
They sponsored.
Okay.
So they sent me one. I just haven't put it on yet.
See, we tried the JB4. It wouldn't work on mine.
Really?
I don't know why. I have so I originally had the Carbon, and I put that on there, and it ran pretty good. But I took it out to South Carolina. We were going to put that JB4 on there, and it wouldn't take to my car. They tried 3 of them.
Why?
It kept coming back errors, like all these errors. And I was like, well, that sucks. So he's like, I got a race box, because he had an M3 too. He's like, I'll just take your Carbon off. You can sell it. I'll give you my race chip. And then they put my ethanol content sensor on there and then tuned it for that. So that's what I run on now.
So you're tuned, but not like unlocked.
It's only tuned on that race chip on map 8, basically.
So is it as good as being actually tuned or no?
No. It's
not
600.
as customized.
It's like 600 wheels, 600 torque is max. That's as far as it can go. I mean, it does okay against other cars.
Yeah, I've seen you race the shit out of
I do. I race everybody,
That's
man.
That's how I am, bro. It's hard. Man, a lot of people don't want to race, especially. Plates, and I have X-Force exhaust. That's as far as it goes for performance. No tune, no JB4, none of that. And then I have a bunch of carbon fiber. We got the grill, we got this, the lip, and then we got more. We got carbon right here. It's all about the details. Carbon on the mirror covers. The whole roof is carbon. We got carbon.
How far do we go down?
On the floor.